welcome back to Joanna's Journey. Today, I'm going to be making crepe cake. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, and don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up. Now let's get started. The ingredients are 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 cup of water, 3/4 of milk, 2 eggs. Now we add all the ingredients and mix. Mix it together until it's a watery consistency. I'm going to pour it into different bowls and add the food coloring. After you're done mixing, you cook it in a pan. Now that our crepes are ready, we're going to chill them. To make the whipped cream, you will need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and vanilla extract as needed. Now that the whipped cream is ready, we are ready to assemble the cake. Crepe cake is ready. We're going to cut it open now. Let's taste. This cake is addictive. Thank you for watching.